go!
Hello, baby bus.
Hello, Kiki. Please get on the bus.
Please choose a seat for me.
Fasten your seatbelt.
Thanks.
I've picked up Kiki.
Please enter the correct number to lift the barrier.
This is the supermarket. The teacher said you need to buy some things and take them to the kindergarten.
Let's buy some new stationery and a school bag. Welcome.
Choose a shopping cart. Next, let's go buy what we need together. School bag. Yes, that's it. Towel. Water bottle. Pillow. Quilt. Put the money into the coin slot.
I bought everything I want. Thank you.